Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Lucky English for Beginner, where learning English is easy, fun, and full of simple grammar lessons. I'm Sonia, and I'm so happy to be here with you today.
Hi everyone, I'm Ollie. Hello Sonia, you look very excited today. What's our topic?
Yes, I am. Today we're talking about something very basic but very important in English, nouns. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. It's the starting point for making sentences.
Great choice for beginners. But first, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button. It helps us reach more English learners.
Please share with your friends and family too. Okay, Sonia, let's start simple. What exactly is a noun?
A noun is a naming word. It names people like teacher, Sonia, Ali, or mother. It names places like school, park, Islamabad, or home.
Yes, and things like book, pen, apple, or car. Even animals, cat, dog, bird.
Exactly. And ideas or feelings like love, happiness, time, or idea. These are called abstract nouns because we can't touch them, but they are still nouns.
Let's talk longer about types of nouns because it helps beginners remember. First, common nouns and proper nouns.
Common nouns are general names. City, boy, river, book. We don't use capital letter unless at the start of sentence.
But proper nouns are special names like Islamabad, Ali, River Nile, Quran. Always start with capital letter.
Good example. My name, Sonia, is proper noun. Your name, Ali, is proper noun. Pakistan is proper noun.
Exciting. Next, countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns, we can count them. 1 book, 2 books, 3 apples. We use a or an or numbers.
Softly, uncountable nouns we can't count easily. Water, rice, sugar, milk. We say some water, much rice, not 1 water.
But we can say 1 glass of water or 2 cups of milk. Then the glass or cup is countable.
Yes, smart. Now let's make simple sentences with nouns.
Okay, the cat is on the mat. Cat and mat are nouns.
Sonia likes apples. Sonia and apples are nouns.
Ali lives in Islamabad. Ali and Islamabad are nouns.
Encouragingly, see? Almost every sentence has nouns. They are the main words. Without nouns, we can't name anything.
Thoughtfully, nouns can be singular, 1, boy, or plural, many, boys. We usually add s or es.
Smilingly, like book, books, bus, buses, child, children, special one.
Warmly, beginners practice by looking around you. Name things, table, chair, phone, window, all nouns.
Proudly, yes, start with 10 nouns every day. It makes English easier.
Gratefully, thank you, Sonia. Nouns are the building blocks of English.
Thank you too, Ali. Listeners, can you name some nouns around you right now?
Yes, please go to the comments and write 1 simple sentence with nouns. For example, my book is on the table, or I love Pakistan, or the dog is cute.
Excitedly, we really want to read your comments. It helps your English practice.
And remember, start with nouns to build strong sentences.
Cheerfully, thank you all for listening. You are wonderful.
Take care, keep practicing, and have fun with English.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Ali. Today, we're talking about pronouns. Pronouns are small words that replace nouns so we don't have to repeat the same name again and again. They make sentences shorter and smoother.
Great topic for beginners. But first, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our podcast.
And click the like button. It helps us reach more English learners.
Please share with your friends and family too. Okay, Sonia, let's start simple. What are some common pronouns?
The most common are personal pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. For example, instead of saying Sonia is speaking, Sonia is happy, we say I am speaking, I am happy.
Yes. Ali is listening. Ali likes this topic. Becomes I am listening. I like this topic. See how easy?
Exactly. He for a boy or man, she for a girl or woman, it for a thing or animal, we for more than one, including me, they for more than one.
Let's talk longer about types of pronouns because it helps beginners use them correctly. First, subject pronouns. They do the action.
Like, I speak, you listen, he runs, she reads, it shines for the sun, we learn, they play.
Perfect. Next, object pronouns. They receive the action. Me, you, him, her, it, us, them.
For example, Sania teaches Ali becomes I teach him, or Ali helps Sania becomes he helps me.
Another type, possessive pronouns, show ownership. My, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs.
Like, this is my book, that is your pen, this is his phone, her bag is red, our house is big, their car is new.
And there are possessive pronouns that stand alone. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. This book is mine. The phone is yours.
Yes, no need to say my book again. Now, let's make simple sentences with pronouns.
Frady, she likes ice cream. She is a girl.
They are playing football. They equals friends.
We live in Pakistan. We equals me and my family.
It is raining. It equals the weather.
See, pronouns are everywhere. They replace nouns so sentences don't sound repetitive.
Beginners, practice by changing sentences. Take Ahmed reads a book, Ahmed likes the book, into he reads a book, he likes it.
Start small. Use I, you, he, she, it every day when you speak.
Thank you, Ali. Pronouns make English flow better.
Thank you too, Cinia. Listeners, can you make a sentence with a pronoun?
Yes, please go to the comments and write one simple sentence using pronouns. For example, she is my sister, or they like English, or I am learning.
We really